a great choice today with the 2015 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, electronic stability control, power windows, compass, trip computer, heated steering wheel, overhead console, tachometer, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, brake assist, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps, rear view camera. Come see the car for yourself.